Hi friends, I'm Luna. Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. Today I'll guide you how to turn on or off airplane mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Open the Settings app. The Settings menu is your device's main control center where you can manage apps, sounds, privacy, security, network settings, and many other important features. Next, scroll down slightly or find and tap on the Connections option, which is usually located near the top of the Settings menu. This section contains all network-related features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and airplane mode. Once in the Connections menu, you will see the airplane mode option along with a toggle switch. To turn airplane mode on, tap the toggle once. When enabled, it will instantly disable cellular service, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other wireless connections. You'll also notice the airplane icon appear in the status bar at the top of your screen. If you want to turn airplane mode off, tap the toggle switch again. Your wireless connections will automatically reconnect and your phone will return to normal network operation. Thanks for learning with Quantum Tech Lab, where technology is made simple and practical for everyone. Stay connected for more helpful tech guides.